Heidi-ho, neighbor. Judy here again. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are when you're watching this. I've been getting ready to go to the Mindset Performance Summit in Greenwich, Connecticut. Carly just left this morning, and of course that was bright and early, and getting a little sleep after that, so I'm a little bit tired. In addition, this is a big thing to me, this conference of like-minded people, of being enveloped in a mindset culture, is just totally thrilling. Hanging around with the people who developed the program and developed the tools, etc., that we're using, as well as getting feedback on tools that we've developed and feedback on how we're proceeding in with the Mindset Performance Centers, with various programs we're developing, etc. So this is extremely exciting. And as you can imagine, were I in my old mindset, this would be extremely stressful. Imagine going to a work convention where you're going to meet your CEO. You are going to meet the heads of the various departments in this. And if you're like everybody else, you're going to feel stressed. I actually don't. I feel very, very excited, mainly because I'm in a place of free nature. I'm not in bound nature. When I looked, I started looking up some stats around stress and the expression of that in the body, etc. And here's some of the ones I found. This is from 2010. Interestingly, in 2010, when they were publishing this, now they did surveys with people from 2007, 2009, 2010. So they took this data that they found and they compared it throughout the years and then published. So this is a paper that was published in 2010 and published in the Association of American Psychiatric Association. There we go. So in taking a look, male and female seem to be similar for expressions of irritability and anger. Women will feel more fatigue with their stress, 43% versus 39% with males. Women will express more lack of interest, motivation, energy than men, 40 to 35. Feeling nervous or anxious. Again, women are a little higher than men, 38% to 34%. Overall, 36% feel nervous and anxious when they're stressed, or when they perceive themselves to be stressed. Headaches, 36% overall, with women at 41%. Feeling sad or depressed, 34% overall, 38% for women, 30% for men. Okay, feeling as though they could cry, wow, 44% of women versus 15% of men. And we know some of that is the cultural social influences around who can express sadness, who can't. Upset stomach, indigestion. Women are on the rise on that. 32% of women express stress through upset stomach and indigestion. 21% of men. There's muscular tension, both around the same at 23%. Changes in appetite, 21%. And these are all expressions of bound nature. Remember, I've been talking to you about how you think, the thoughts that go through your head, the feelings that you have, how bound nature is expressed in your body. These are symptoms of bound nature. If you are feeling these symptoms, you are in bound nature, and you need to start connecting everything together so that you can use a flip switch, a flow switch, and get back to free nature. Get back to not feeling this. You do not have to feel stressed. You do not have to feel like you could cry, depressed or sad, upset stomach, muscle aches. You do not have to feel that. You do not have to feel a lack of energy, fatigue. You can keep going on with your day, observe that, and move on. What do you want to do? Do you want to keep feeling these symptoms of stress, or do you want to move on from it? If so, get the hell out of your way. Message me. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll try and post something again. If not, have a great weekend. We'll be back at it on Monday, and talk to you later. Okay, and bye-bye. We're out of here.